Hello, my name is Nuriye. My GitHub is Nuriye12 and my edX username is Nuriye Indris. I'm recording this video from Ethiopia in the city of Desi. Today is May 21st, 2024. My title for this project is a health tracker application. Alright, let's get into my actual project over here. So I imported datetime, and then I have a definition main here. As you can see, I use a print function over here, and then based on the main function, I go here to describe what is the application is about. I use a print function with a \n. Also about the the application features, I describe by using print function as well with a \n. And then I have activity logging over here with a dictionary with a list. And then user based on this user can put their activities, and then over here it will show them activity summarized based on their input. And then there is a goal and a reminder, and we use a dictionary function and list over here, and then we use a personal recommendation print function, and then if, and then elif and else function over here. And then we have let's see, we use a loop as well, a loop function over here. And then we have to conduct a test about the application, and we have to deploy the application, which is upgrade and so on. So and we have a maintenance and updates. We have to update the application, and we demonstrate by using a match function over here. And then let's run this code if it works properly. Alright, here you go. It works fine. And you put let me just show you one example. Let's see here, show you log activity, enter your exercise activity. Let's say running. Okay, and then it show you enter your date activity. You put this until the end, and then it will show you a personal recommendation at the end. All right, I want to go to a test project.py to show you. Here is a test project.py by using assert, and then it has, we have to import 3 specific definition, specify features, gather requirement, activity login from the project.py. When we run this code, let's see if it works, it passed or failed. Alright, it passed. 3 of them is passed, so it's good to go. And then I want to show you one more thing here. We have to do a requirement text over here. So this is my requirement text. It will explain to you how to install those import in briefly over here. And I have the readme MD file over here. And that's all for this project, and have a nice day. Thank you.